Welcome everyone to Skincare and Beauty with Perky Perkins. So today I'm going to be doing some unboxing for you. If you guys see my next two videos and I'm wearing the same shirt, it's because I ended up piling the boxes because I've been waiting on Ipsy. I got my other subscriptions well over a week ago and Ipsy is MIA, so let's begin. So today, the first box I will be unboxing is my, drum roll please, my Boxy Charm. So I love Boxy Charm. They always do some amazing stuff. At least to me, I've been with them for about a year now, and so far I've loved at least 3 items typically on average. I've loved 3 items, sometimes the whole box. Boxy Charm is $21 a month, and they also have like some discounts if you prepay for like 3, 6, 9, or 12 months. If you use a referral code, your friend could get like extra points or whatnot. So if you want to use my referral code, I could get points, and that way, you know, I get some charm points, but that's about it. At this time they're not doing any free goodies, but anywho, back to the box. So anyways, so Boxy Charm is $21 a month plus tax, and every month they send you about 4 to 5 full-size items. Sometimes they do send us like deluxe size, but in my opinion it's okay. We're paying $21 a month. 99% of the time, one item alone will cover the price of this box. So let's get started and let's open her up. Yes, I opened it up already. I've been wanting to play with the blush. So I kind of lost the box because I opened it early, and yeah. So it came like this. They do a really good job with Patty. Sadly, I've seen some videos of people where their stuff's all smushed and crushed and oh my god, some horrible things, but they have no control over, you know, USPS, FedEx, UPS, whatever. So the first, but anyways, back to my items. The very first item I'm gonna show you guys is my blush I'm wearing. Doesn't she look cute? But it's the Eyeliner, what's it called? Oh, Colorete. The Eyeliner Colorete Blush Trio. She look like this. Right now, I'm actually using this color on my cheeks. If you guys go to my Instagram post, I actually wore this one yesterday, so you can actually see it in my post. But look at these colors. I was so afraid. That's a nice look at the difference. This pink, it was actually just dark enough to give it a warm kind of kiss look to your skin. This is considered the light, fair to light palette. Again, I was really afraid at first, thinking that holy shit, I normally get medium tone blushes because blushes are the first thing to wear off your skin for some reason throughout the day, but this is worn very beautifully. I've used it 3 days in a row. Again, I was being very antsy, and this looks way too pretty not to put it on, okay? I don't want to waste product. But anyways, so it's been about 10 hours and it's still going. Like, I did touch it up, I think around here earlier, when I got off of work and I decided I was gonna film, but I stopped for like 2 hours, 3 hours. I didn't film, so, but still, look at that. It looks gorgeous. And I literally just brushed it with a little bit, not much. Anyways, love. And I think this has a value of 36 bucks from what I saw. Then we got the Glam Glow GentleBubble Cleanser. Wait, it says Glam Glow GentleBubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. It's a daily conditioning cleanser. So I'm glad that it's meant for, it's gentle, so it's not abrasive. It has green tea leaf and so it helps condition your skin, deep cleanse your face, and face makeup remover. That's awesome. I am trying to finish the cleansers that I currently have open because I have like 4 bottles and they do have expiration dates. Once you open up any kind of skincare or makeup, their expiration date starts. So I don't want to just be wasteful, you know what I mean? But anyways, this is how she looks. It's so pretty though. It's like super cute and colorful. I wonder if I could, oh. Didn't really need much, but that's how she looks. It doesn't really have a scent. It just smells like a cleanser. It kind of reminds me of my First Aid Beauty face cleanser actually, which I like it too because it's not abrasive and it's meant for sensitive skin. And again, that's one of the ones I have open, so I want to make sure I finish it. So I'm very happy with this. Again, I have very sensitive dry skin, so anything that helps me moisturize, cleanse, that's not abrasive. What did it say? It has vitamin E, apple extracts. Ooh, it's a gentle foaming cleanser. I love those. It's mild, ooh, and it's soap free. When it's actually soap free, that's really, really good because actually soaps themselves cause that really kind of waxy, rubbery feel to your skin. So that means this won't leave that kind of feeling after cleaning your skin. So I'm excited for that. The next item I got, I only looked at the color, but I haven't used it or anything. It is called Lazy Daisy by Dose Colors. It's really pretty. So it's a really pretty mauve tone. I am not gonna swatch it because I am gonna gift it to someone very special. I have very similar colors already, so I know this person would appreciate it and love to add to her collection. I got the Bodyography Emerald Eye Pencil. It's basically a green, so I'll swatch this because I actually like color. Me personally, I actually like having color eyeliners. It just kind of helps pop your makeup when you don't want to do too much. Like right now, it's hard to tell, but I'm wearing a metallic purple underneath. And it's very subtle, but it just creates a nice little pop. Glass Struggles. I will say it feels really creamy. I'm surprised because the lip liner we got was really hard. So I'm glad that's nice and creamy because it's going on your eye. Then I got the Seat London. I got the Eyeliner Cream Shadow Metallic. It's a metallic eyeshadow. I got Cupid. I will swatch this one. It's very pretty and shimmery, but for me, I used it the other day just on its own because I was trying to be lazy, and it didn't really have much of a tint. So I would say, oh, and it creased bad because I have hooded eyes. So what I would recommend, anyone which has hooded eyes, or you actually want it to pop, use it as a topper. Don't use it on your own, on its own, because it's not really gonna do much of an effect. Add some sort of color or base underneath, then put it on top. And again, if you do have a hooded eyes like myself, try to keep it in your basically in your eyelid area right here. Don't let it go in this little middle crease area, otherwise it's gonna look bunched up. I wish I would have taken a picture because it did not look cute. Anywho, so again, it's not going to be my head-to-head unboxings like I normally do with my Ipsy versus Boxy, since Ipsy's MIA. But overall, again, I got 5, I'm counting, I got 5 full-size items this month. For me, I like 4 out of the 5. Again, I did try this. It was kind of a miss for me. Maybe it's just, you know, everything is not meant for everyone, but I'm sure someone out there will love it. But for me, I love 4 out of the 5 items. They're $21 a month, and I feel like that's really reasonable. So I am wearing the blush today, and again, I've been using it the last 3 days ahead of this, and it's gorgeous. They had 3 different variations, basically fair light, light medium, and medium dark. So I'm sure they tried to send the blush palettes accordingly, but that this was a variable item, and then also the this guy was a variable. You either got this you either got the Alamar blush palette, or I think it was the Milk Primer, and then for the Glam Glow, you either got the cleanser or you got the Pharmacy moisturizer, I want to say. I do remember my variation was variation number 2. So so yeah, but let me know what you guys think. What did you like from your Boxy Charm box? What did you guys like from my Boxy Charm? At the very end, once I get all my subscriptions, okay, all of them, because there's a lot, I am gonna do a favorites video where I actually apply makeup, do a full tutorial applying the makeup. Last month I was gonna make a pure palette tutorial. I ended up not doing it, but I did post a look recently on my Instagram if you guys want to check it out. It was a very pretty neutral look. Actually, it was yesterday again. So if you go to Thursday's post, you can see that very pretty neutral look. It could be for an everyday, just not like completely wild. So check it out. Once again, if you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button, like the video, and comment on what you would like me to, what kind of tutorials you would like me to do, what would you like to see, and yeah, thank you so very much for joining me today. I really do appreciate it, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye.